Very good morning to all my dear learners. I hope you all are safe and fine at your places. And I must believe that yes, the learning process is really going on fine. So today we are going to deal with our last unit, okay? And this is eighth part of it. And we are going to in the ocean of physical education, as you all know. So welcome to physical education class. This is your unit number 10. Okay, and what else? This is your part number 8. This is your part number 8, right? And we are going through training in sports. Okay, training and doping in sports. So we are going on with training and doping in sports, and today we need to know some of the basic concepts that has to be understood. So students, I hope you are very feeling so good and the atmosphere is so good also. See students, when we come into the term training or doping, it gives us an immense kind of excitement, and it will relate our body to go some kind of activities which is good and healthy for us. Alright, so what does training exactly means? Training means to have a practical as well as theoretical knowledge of a particular task. When we talk these terms, training in physical education, it has a deeper meaning in that. See, when we learn about training, it means we are preparing ourselves for something. So training is basically a kind of preparation to achieve a goal. Right? So training is that part which helps us to achieve a particular goal, right? So training is something which helps us to understand things properly, perfectly, right, dear students? So it is very important to know things properly, right? Training means giving a practical as well as theoretical knowledge, right? Training is what? Means to get practical as well as theoretical knowledge of a particular task, right? If we can take an example, right? Let's say for an example, if we are going to learn Kho, okay, or let's take an example, we are an athlete, okay, we are in track and field events like running, walk, like 600 meter run, like 50-meter dash, etc. Alright, so for achieving that thing, what I will have to do? Let us take an example. I am going to teach you shot put. What is shot put? Shot put, there is a ball of around 6 kg or 8 kgs. There are different weights for weight for women as well as men. Male and female, there is difference of the weight. So if I am going to teach you how to put a shot put, so you should know the technique, the skill, the tactics, the style, everything you should know. Alright. So here we needed to know that, yeah, let's begin. When we come into the competition, we need to know what are the basic skills that we need to have with us, so that you can achieve that skills and you can, the perfection, the enhancement in the performance will be there. That is what the point exactly here in the field of physical education. When we go for training, it leads you to what? It leads you to enhance your performance. So training is a kind of basic, specific, or a kind of important drill, revise, or to learn something, some kind of advanced skills, some kind of basic skills which help you to understand the game structure properly. You will be able to perform a game with the whole heart and you will be able to win. So basically training or psychology or doping, these are something which is used to enhance the performance. If I am going to take you the example of football, so when I just started teaching football, so what I will do, I will not tell you just put the ball and just move here and there in the ground. I will have to teach some skills, how to do header, how to pass the ball, how to do juggling, how to do so many different parts. We have a lot of terminologies from the basics. So as we all know that the training part is divided into 3 things. First is the preparatory part. In the preparatory part, we will be going to learn about what? We got about the basic skills and advanced skills. So that at least we'll get to know, yes, this is a game how we'll have to play, right? The next thing is that we need to know about the next game structure, and that is what it's all based upon the next thing, that is the competition part. So when I'm talking about the competition part, it means some matches will be there, correction will be done by the coach, some feedback is given. If we talk about the next thing, it's about the actual matches. So some kind of competitions will be going on, right? And there will be feedback and motivation will be given to the parents, the coaches, not the parents, it's player, okay, given to the player, and the player will get to know about the things properly. Then what happens is that then we have some other things with us, and these things will tell us about the next thing, and that thing is what? There's skill, technique, style, strategies, and tactics. Got it? So what I want to tell you basically here is that we need to know some important terms when we are in the arena of physical education, when we are taking some kind of training. The first is skill. Running, touching, kho, fake kho, early gata. Some skills, when you perform. Archery, there are some skills when you talk about football. Okay? So, there are kicking, boxing, jumping, so many things. Like, let's say an example, if I'm talking about shot put, so first we need to hold, crouch, glide, throw, then follow throw. So many points are there. What is this all? These, in any game, we require all these 5 components. So let's have a glance of it. The first point we have is skill. So skill is the ability to perform a physical task or to perform a movement. If I'm going to bring my leg here, right? So if I'm going to bring my leg here, let's say here, see, this is the movement. And if I'm going to bring my leg here, this is movement, this is what? A skill. It's a basic skill. When our body shows any kind of movement, it is what's about a skill, right? So if I'm doing like this is also a skill. This is called flexion. This is called extension. Flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, abduction, adduction, flexion, extension. Right, dear students? So, कोई भी movement, any movement that we show, the movements are what? The movements are skill. So, what is skill exactly? It is the ability, बच्चों. क्या है ये? It's the ability. So, it's the ability to perform certain physical tasks, skills, or these are the movements or actions commonly used in games and sports. Specific movement used in game and sports, these are acquired by the training process. So movements जो होते हैं वो you will get it in the training period. Okay. So what is skill? Skill is the ability to perform a physical task. Okay. Or a movement. Now let's understand the second point. What is the second point? The second point is about the technique. What is technique? It is the ability to perform a physical task. Okay. So now we need to know what is the physical task. When we perform this physical task, it should be in a scientific way, bachcho. Okay. In another word, it is the efficient use of a skill to bring perfection in skills. It can be combination of various movements or skills. It causes less stress, whereas it brings perfection. Okay, so let's understand this term properly. Technique. Okay, so we have a second point with us. Technique. So it's the ability to perform a physical task, right? Let us just simply take an example. When we do yoga, all right, and when we do yoga, we need to know a very important thing which is there. Like when we come to the Surya Namaskar. So when we perform any task, we need to close our feet. Okay, in the first step. These hands should come from here, alright. When it comes like this. Okay. Then from the inside it will come. These hands will rotate and will do Namaste in Surya Namaskar. I am repeating again. What do we need to do? We need to keep our hands up. We need to touch. Now bring here. You can see my hands. Fold it. Rotate it. Now you can see these hands are closed. What is it all about? This is Namaste Mudra. So when we perform a physical task in a scientific way, it become a technique, which is a very important part for the game, right? So I hope you got the skill and technique. Let's come to the next part, style. What style is about? It is performing a technique in a particular way during the game. टेक्निक क्या है? किसी भी गेम के अंदर हम जब हम कुछ परफॉर्म करते हैं बहुत अच्छे से, इट विल बिकम स्टाइल. ठीक, तो तकनीक तक पढ़ा, हम स्टाइल की बात करते हैं. स्टाइल इज परफॉर्मिंग द टेक्निक इन अ पर्टिकुलर वे स्टूडेंट्स ड्यूरिंग द गेम सिचुएशन. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द गेम. लाइक देखो बच्चों, जब मैं स्टाइल की बात कर रहा हूँ, ओके, स्किल हो गया, टेक्निक हो गई, अब हम बात कर रहे हैं स्टाइल. व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट स्टाइल, सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू अकॉर्डिंग टू द गेम सिचुएशन. बॉल अगर मेरे हेड पे आई तो मैं हेडर करूंगा, राइट, मैं हेड करूंगा. अगर फुटबॉल में बॉल मेरे सिर पे आई तो मैं पैर ऊपर से लेकर आऊंगा, आई विल बी डूइंग हेडर, राइट. इन द सेम वे वी नीड टू थिंक, वी नीड टू एक्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशन. सो स्टाइल इज समथिंग दैट द परफॉर्मिंग ऑफ अ टेक्निक इन अ पर्टिकुलर वे ड्यूरिंग अ गेम सिचुएशन ऑफ अ गेम इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? स्टाइल. नेक्स्ट इज टैक्टिक्स, स्पेसिफिक मोमेंट टू डिसाइड द अपोनेंट. We can take an example of खो-खो. खो-खो में जब क्या होता है, हम यस बच्चा दौड़ रहा है, प्लेयर उसके पीछे दौड़ रहा है. अभी कभी कभी क्या करते हैं हम, कभी फेक खो देते हैं, कभी कभी हम पोल डाइव करते हैं. जब पोल डाइव हम करते हैं तो हम इस साइड होकर नेक्स्ट साइड वाले को पोल पे डाई लगाकर और आउट कर सकते हैं, राइट. तो वो क्या हुआ, टेक्निक हुई. कैसे, किस तरीके से आप किसी सामने वाले अपोनेंट को आउट करोगे. ओके, कबड्डी में क्या होता है, व्हेन यू आर प्लेइंग कबड्डी, लेट्स से यू आर प्लेइंग कबड्डी कबड्डी कबड्डी, ऐसे हाथ बता के ऐसे आउट कर दो. जैसे ही आपने रिफ्लेक्ट इधर किया, आपने स्टिमुलेट दे दिया, आपने हाथ इधर किया, सारे प्लेयर्स इधर देखेंगे, आप इससे आउट कर सकते हैं. वेल, एंड इट शुड बी इट शुड हैव अ सेकंड. कबड्डी 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 एंड यू डू लाइक दिस एंड आउट. दैट्स इट, सो सिंपल. Specific movement according to the situation of a game. Last, strategies. What are the strategies? Shorthand we can say, or strategies, these are the pre-planned movements done to counter the opponents. आपने हमेशा देखा होगा जब भी गेम स्टार्ट होता है या जब हाफ टाइम मिलता है, सारे प्लेयर्स एक ग्रुप बनाकर फिर कुछ बातें करते हैं, ऐसा करना है, ऐसा करना है, वैसा करना है एंड ऑल. क्या होता है? व्हाट इज दिस ऑल थिंग्स अबाउट? सी, दिस इज व्हाट, जब लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ वॉलीबॉल, खो-खो, फुटबॉल, किसी भी गेम में वो प्लेयर ऐसा है, उसके पास से लेकर जाना है, मूव करना है, मुझे पास करना है, काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. अगर खो-खो खेल रहे हो तो खो-खो में क्या होता है, एक प्लेयर के पीछे अगर पड़े हैं तो उसी को कंटिन्यू करना है, दूसरा डिस्टर्ब करे उसको नहीं पकड़ना है, सबसे पहले जब तक थकेगा नहीं, जब तक उसको आउट करना है. अगर हम हमारा टारगेट चेंज करते हैं तो जो प्लेयर थक चुका है उसको रेस्ट मिलेगा. दीज आर व्हाट? स्ट्रैटेजीज. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द स्किल, टेक्निक, स्टाइल, स्ट्रैटेजीज एंड टेक्निक. Strategy, sorry, and assignments. Skill is the ability to perform a physical task, this kind of movement. Technique, it's the ability to perform a physical task in a scientific way. Style is to performing a technique in such a way according to the situation of the game. And tactic is a specific movement to deceive the opponent. And strategies, these are the pre-planned movements done to counter the opponent. So this is all about the 5 things which is very very important. That is skill, technique, style, tactics and strategies. These we need to go through very nicely. It will help you to understand the way our game structure. With this, take care. Bye bye. Lots of love and blessings to each and everyone. We'll meet soon with a new lecture, with a new session, with a new topic. Till that, bye bye. Good luck.